doing today on this beautiful day? No matter what the weather, no matter what, we gonna keep it upbeat and nice around here. I hope y'all doing good anyway. But I'm working on the name for my family, which is y'all. I haven't came up with it yet, so you can help me out on that too. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, okay, I was telling y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl over here. I have Portillos today. Portillos today. Don't mind my silliness. This is Italian beef. Italian beef. My cheese supposed to be on there. I did not check my food, y'all. And oh yeah, they, you know I was about to get in. I got my fries and my ketchup. And I got me a Coke today. Okay. So let's get started. How was y'all day? Somebody better talk to me now. Y'all, I'm like Portillo. Ugh. I just shook the whole daggone table. I'm hungry. Normally when I go there, I get hot dogs too, but y'all. Come on, take a bite. I share. But I got something for you. I ain't sharing. I ain't sharing that. I don't want to stay close. Got me some Coke today. Except for a Coke. Ooh. Ooh. Excuse this little piggy over here. Oh, yes. I needed that, though. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, stay put. I'm a savage today. I'm hungry as ever. I'm trying to be better.
Try hard.
Y'all, if y'all ain't never had Portillos, y'all missing out. Stop by there. Italian beef fry. I love their hot dogs too. That's what Shoshana is. She didn't want to be on camera today, y'all. Sorry, we had another day.
But I love y'all.
Ooh, excuse me. Dang. Mm-hmm. So y'all, I'm hungry. I think I'm playing. It ain't that cold outside yet, y'all. How is it where you at? Let me know. Look at that. It's trying to escape. Can't escape me. We don't play that over here. All my peppers. Ooh. Excuse me. That's that Coke. Does that to me all the time, but I'm telling you, my belch feel good. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Momo, baby, how are you? Oh, my little Aussie friend. I done forgot your name, girl. I'm sorry. Shoshana, what's her name? Christy?
It's Chris Lynn. Chris Lee.
How you doing, girl?
Mr. Lewis.
Oh, yeah. Mr. Lewis, what's going on? I love reading your comments. Boy, you be having me rolling up in here.
Shout out to Fit and Grub.
Fit and Grub. All y'all. Baby.
Hold on, let me read our song. Some of our shout out some of the loyal studies. Comment.
Now, y'all, this is where it no longer becomes usome's. It becomes mine. I ain't sharing with y'all. I'm gonna be stingy today. Stingy. Ooh! Wanna see what I got? Somebody tell me. I ain't playing. Tell me. Talk to me now. Chocolate cake.
Christy Lee. That's her name.
Christy Lee.
Me, Christy Lee.
Christy Lee. Shout out to you and your husband and baby. Shout out. Look at that. Now, I told y'all I love my sweets. Oh. Ooh.
Dang.
Excuse me. I needed that. And I need another one. Because, baby, look at that. Just take a look. I'm going to enjoy this. Ooh. Yes, Lord. Ooh, y'all, it's so moist. Just cutting it out. Ooh.
Ain't this your first time trying?
Mm-mm.
Oh, wow. I thought it was your first.
Y'all. It should be something against being so good. No. This is all mine. This hair better not get. You will see us. You will see what's up under this wig today. Don't play with my cake, especially my chocolate cake. Yes, we will have problems. Okay.
Hashtag fact.
She talking like I can. It's Cardi B playing in my head. It's Cardi B playing in my head, y'all, because I was listening to Cardi in the car. Cardi! Oh. I need some milk. Yeah. I swear this cake gonna make me bust out in a song. Y'all just don't know.
Give him a little tongue. Give him a little tongue.
My voice rusty right now. That's what good food do. And Coca-Cola. Excuse me. Ooh, girl. Chocolate should be a sin. Oh! Y'all hear that? She gonna say, Oh, y'all. Ooh. Ooh. I gotta eat some garlic or something. Seems like I want to come down with something. That ain't gonna work over here. Nobody got time for that. Y'all, that is it for me. I hope y'all out there stay warm. And y'all have a blessed day. I know I am. Bye.